What's going on, guys? It's Larry here for Leoy Systems. Just wanted to touch base on a topic that a lot of people just don't understand, and this goes for a lot of fitness businesses and businesses in general. But about 90% of customers, clients, potentials, prospects find it very, very annoying when they get emails, messages, text messages from companies that have zero to do with them. For instance, I got an email for a sale on women's clothing, not the demographic you were looking for. So obviously deleted the email, didn't go shopping, maybe. But the message was just not clear. It was not there. Absolutely wrong person. So the point is, you have to direct your messaging via social media posts, Facebook ads, Google ads, cold emails, whatever the case may be, to the appropriate people. Going back to my other videos that I said, you need to know who your customer is. You need to know who your target audience is. Otherwise, your message is going to be thrown out there, and you're actually going to now be described as an annoying company, something that a lot of people don't want to associate with. And that creates a negative downward spiral on your reputation and your brand. So know who your target audience is, create the appropriate message for the appropriate client or customer in a motorcycle, and you'll be well on your way to gathering new clients, new customers, and new members for your facility, studios, or you name it. So that's it. That's today's little nugget. Alrighty? You have yourself a great day, and I will see you again soon. Alrighty? Thanks.